Sevai is a quick dessert that takes less than 20 minutes and it requires very few ingredients. It's usually made during festive occasions. It also serves as a great evening snack. In this recipe, I have used condensed milk with regular milk. So let's get started. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Boil 1.5 cup milk in a pan. Add half cup condensed milk. Let it cook over low flame. Take another pan, heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Add few dry fruits. I've added Khaju, Badam and Kishamish. Roast Khaju and Badam for a minute and then add Kishamish. Now add Sevai or Seviyan, half cup. Roast for few minutes. Add in the milk and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve hot or cold. Garnish with some roasted dry fruits. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.